ISUZU Crosswind, back to standard valve clearance adjustment, engine tuning up, cylinder head ports, intake manifold and EGR cleaning, removing thick carbon deposits to make your engine breathe smoothly.